What's good, YouTube? Today we getting a oil change in the Scat Pack. Here she is. We got it all broken down. I forgot to show the oil filter and stuff like that, but we got the SRT oil filter and the SRT OW40. But yeah, we're finally getting that oil change. First oil change in the Scat Pack, man. I think I got 42,000 miles, like 42,500 miles. I wasn't recording the vid while I was at home, but I forgot to do it. But yeah, I'm gonna switch out around and see if I get a picture of the oil for you. This is the engine bay. This is what you gotta do to take off the shaker hood. Hood scoop right there. If you're doing it yourself, 10mm socket. And here's the order number for those that do want it. But yep, everything is authentic. SRT Mopar oil, Pennzoil Ultra Platinum, all the best. 7 quarts. Draining the oil now. Not doing it myself yet, but I will be doing it myself in due time. Gotta get the tools, but here we go. My man is hooking me up, getting the oil change done for me early in the morning. Well, it's like about 8 right now. But yes, yeah. This is the oil filter that was on there previously that we just taken off. Good, YouTube. Shit, your boy ain't posting a little minute. Well, I mean, I ain't recording a little minute. Shoot, from y'all perspective, I'm posting weekly. Shoot, I got that thing on autopilot. But anywho, your boy is up to no good again. So if you watching during this time though, so basically I got the oil change. Whenever this video's been uploaded, it's probably gonna be a lot after or before maybe the oil change. I don't know how my upload is. It's all over the place, you know what I'm saying? It's not in order. But anyway, nice 96% oil life. Got the Pennzoil 0W40 in there. SRT oil filter. To be honest with you, I might just upload this video. I might attach the shit, I can't even speak, man. Shit, boy too hype right now. I'm gonna attach the oil change video probably to the beginning of this video. That's probably how I'm gonna do it, instead of uploading it a single video by itself. I'm gonna do the oil change in the beginning of this video, and then the rest afterwards. But other than that, man, yeah, I got the oil change, SRT oil filter. Shoot, Pennzoil Ultra Platinum, full synthetic oil, the best of the best. That's what they tell you, the owners, man. You feel me? I'm not gonna keep talking y'all head off, but you know, shoot, the oil pressure gets up there though. Shit, I think we, what, mid 70s or something like that. But you know, I'm not really fully depressing the gas. I'm like halfway on that thing. Shit, this is me barely tapping it, just a little bit of pressure. So it's a bit of a difference. I think the more noticeable difference is when you stepping on the gas. That's not even fully on the gas, man. That's like 25%. I'm barely on it. I just add a little bit more pressure to the pressure that I was already on, you know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, let me know if y'all prefer the windows up or the windows down during the POV videos. My exhaust still stock, so it's not gonna be super loud. From what I heard though, it is loud outside the vehicle, so you know, but to me it's not loud. You know, driving my Genesis every day, Genesis was loud, bro. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, a little pull in a minute, you know what I'm talking about? You already know we gots to. You already know we gots to. Oh shit, I fucked it up. Damn, I fucked it up. I gotta learn how to use my paddle shifters, bro. I did it all wrong. I fucked up. God damn. Oh my goodness. I gotta practice, man. I've been practicing a little bit, bro, but you know, it's a work in progress, man. I'm still bad at it. I'm not gonna say bad at it. I just gotta start using them more. You know what I'm saying? Because I was just using it before I turned on the camera, and I was hitting them shifts perfectly. Oh shit, wait a minute, we might have some company here. Who we got? Hopefully at the police. Who we got right here? If it's a V6, you might as well cut it out. What do you got? Yeah. Oh shit, wait a minute. Who we got? What he got? Is this a cat? Is this a cat? Look at this, chat. Oh, we got some live action. What we talking about? What we talking about? Let me see. What you got? Oh, you got a Super B. Ooh, traffic is bad up here, boy. Traffic is hella bad. I did not foresee this. Good thing for the Brimbos, you know what I'm talking about. Oh shit, we got a little Mustang. Hey bro, all the car dudes out tonight. Got a little Super B back there. I don't know what this is, a little V6 or something up in front. Yeah, he gotta change that exhaust, man. It's just too, got too much of an echo with idle, and when he like at 2,000 RPM, when he's tapping on the gas, that thing sounds terrible. But when he get on, it sound decent. Yeah, he probably got a straight pipe on or something. That don't sound good at low RPMs, bro. That does not sound great. Oh shit. Oh damn. We might actually get off of the highway here. I just might. Let me see. Truck is getting over, or is he staying on the highway? Go ahead, man, if you're getting over, bro. Get the hell over already. Let's play around with this 4.6 real quick. Same engine I had in my Genesis, 4.6, you feel me? But, man. Oh yeah, I'm gonna listen to some Boss Man D-Lo, you feel me? Little Boss Man. The DJ on Spotify finally getting this shit together, you know what I'm talking about? Getting his act together, told him to play something different. It's too repetitive, man. Shoot, let me know if your DJ on Spotify, if you even use Spotify, that is, do he play repetitive songs, or is it just me, man? Shoot, my girlfriend was saying he do be playing the same old song over and over again. So I know I got somebody on my side. It's not just me. I don't know what's going over here, bro. Friday night, you know they cutting up over here, man. Acting a fool. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. Little Mustang, shut up. Shut up, little Mustang. I can see people in the comments now. If there was a 5.0 or 10 speed, it'll walk you. That 4.6 will walk you though. Slow part, you know what I'm saying? Y'all be going crazy in the comments, boy. Hey, Mustang owners be going crazy on social media, bro. I ain't lying, man. Get the hell away from me, dude. Shit. Oh, but that shit too funny though, bro. Let's see if he'll run it. I'd gladly run his ass in that shit. Sound like he got a little 5.0. He probably switched it out to a 5.0. Still getting walked though. Power to weight ratio. Alrighty. Power these nuts. Power to piece of shit ratio. Shit, piece of shit or not, nigga, swap or not, bro. You gotta have your car built right, even if you do put an engine in there. Shit, it was some dude that swapped his older Mustang too with a 5.0. I mean, bro, it wasn't nothing, bro. Just a little piece of shit that he, you know, let me not diss it though. It's still cool, you know what I'm saying? You put a new engine in there, but bro, at the same time though, man, it just not fast. You know what I'm saying? He's still over here. about to get pulled over, boy. He about to get pulled over, boy. He about to get in trouble. Hey, nigga better stop it, boy. Oh. He really want to try it. He really want to try it.